Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We are at a returning customer here for a paver sealing and a roof wash. We did the roof this morning. Now we're getting ready to clean and prep up his pavers here. We do this house about once a year or so, but let me walk you around and show you. So we knocked out the roof this morning. It was pretty bad. We did the house just about maybe 2 months ago, and now we're back for the pool deck. All right, so this is the paver pool deck here. This was sealed a couple years back, but got a nice little area. We'll get these pavers looking really nice. We've got some marks from that doormat that was put on there too early last time it was sealed. Right. Got some weed growth coming up along the sides. All in all, not too bad though. Get all this coping all done, so look nice. Okay, so that's our afternoon project here, so let's get moving. All right, so we're all wrapped up here for today. Boy, did it get hot. Take you back and show you what the pool deck looks like. Okay, so we did our three-step cleaning. We treated for efflorescence. We went back and did the organic cleaner and then neutralized everything. So this is it's looking really nice right now. So we'll let this dry up overnight. Come back in the morning, put the sand down, lay some sealer. Yep. Okay, we'll see you back here in the morning. Okay, we're back here at our pool deck here this morning. Everything's looking really nice right now. Dried up good overnight. Now we'll get ready to start putting some sand down and lay some sealer. So let's get busy. Okay, so we're all ready to go here. John's over there doing the coping. So we'll work around and get the coping done, and we're ready to lay some sealer down. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. I'm gonna walk you back and show you what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Cat 5 doing its thing. It's all still wet over there, so, but it's beautiful. Perfect sheen. Sand's right where it's supposed to be. Okay, so this is Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. These are the kind of results you're looking for on your pavers. Give us a call. No charge for consultation or estimate. So you can reach us at 813-853-3557 or on our website at www.supremetapabay.com. All right, we will see you at the next job.